Hi everyone, Rainey here, and today I'm going to show you how to level the Strongback using Grape Koolaid and the big straw. Are you ready for this? This is as old as boat building has been around, okay? I have the laser levels and all that, but this works a lot better. What you do is, I've got a few gallons of water in here, and yesterday I got started. I put the Grape Koolaid in there already. So you take this big straw, and are you ready? Here we go. You're gonna have an awful thirst. And there we go, there we go, there we go. Oh, and fill it till it gets right, almost full. Let's see. I'll let it come up. And when it comes up high enough, I'm gonna put my thumb on it to hold it. Okay. Now the whole idea of this is that water seeks its own level. Let's see, I'm going to try this again. I want to get it fuller. There we go. There we go. Water seeks its own level. So if you look at this, I filled this up. This is about 20 feet of hose. And you see how I'm holding it? And the reason for the cherry Kool-Aid, okay, the grape Kool-Aid, other than I like it, is it makes the water easier to see. But if I hold it without moving, see how it levels out? Now I go like this, it's going to level out again. Or if I go like this, it's going to level out again. So now what we need to do is take this and put it in two different locations over there. And I have my trusty assistant over here. She's going to help me. All right, here we go. Well, look at what I'd like you to do is hold this so the level, oops, oh, I went too high. When I get over there, make the water level come right on the edge of this, okay? And hold it so they can actually see it in the camera. Whoops. Okay, are you ready? Hold it again so it's right above that level. Tell me if you have it level. Is it with the top?
Like that?
As long as it's okay, so I'm going to bring mine up again.
Okay.
So what's happened? No, not the top of this, the top of the Kool-Aid. Okay, so here, bring it down. See where the Kool-Aid goes to?
Yeah.
Bring it right up, because otherwise it's going to keep on spilling. Okay, now make the Kool-Aid as it moves. It should stop here in a minute. Hold it still.
Yeah.
Okay, and has it leveled out above, even or below?
It's about a little bit above now.
Okay, I'm bringing mine down a little bit and we'll see what happens.
Okay, one down.
Is it about even with it?
Yeah.
Okay, that shows us perfectly even. Now keep it right there, because I am going to go over here. Hold on tight, okay? Oops, I just lost the Kool-Aid. Okay, oops. I'm losing Kool-Aid. Help me, doctor, I'm losing my Kool-Aid. Okay. Put it so it's even again. Is it below, above? How is it?
Below.
Below, okay. How about now?
Below.
See, I'm bringing mine up to meet yours. Mine is even now.
Mine too.
It's even?
Yeah.
So I did pretty much the whole thing is level. Okay, so I'm going to bring it up here a little bit.
Coming out.
Oops, okay, sorry about that.
Coming out.
Oops.
Ah!
And you're supposed to drink it if it comes out. Okay, bring it up so it's even.
Not from these tubes. Ah.
If you hold it down, it's going to keep coming up. You got to bring it higher. Okay? Is it even?
No.
How about now?
No.
How about now?
No.
Coming closer?
Yeah. Now it is.
It's even now?
Oh, no, it went down below.
Okay, we've got to get this. It flows back and forth.
Okay.
Okay, so that means she's working. Ah. So there we go. It is level, and it's fun to do because sometimes you forget. And if you're holding one high and the other one down, oops, look what happens. I'm saying, okay, is it full yet? Is it full yet? And oh no, it keeps on coming out. So the last part is you just drink the rest of the Kool-Aid. So it's kind of gross in that pipe. I hope you like how I leveled this. I did try leveling it with the level before. Didn't use my laser light because it's like, 95 degrees out here in the sun, okay? So I used my level, I used this to double check it, and it's perfect. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye now.